This is the Mastery Study Guide video for Topic 5, Solving Absolute Value Equations. So solving absolute value equations, we need to keep in mind there's usually two solutions. So we got to get the absolute value bars alone first. So in this first example, that's already done. We're ready to split up. Take what's inside, set it equal to positive 11. Take what's inside, set it equal to negative 11. Then you're going to go through and solve, add 3 to both sides for both equations, and then divide both sides of both equations by 2. So our first solution is positive 7, and our second solution is negative 4. Now let's take a look at that second example. Of the absolute value of x minus 4, there's nothing before or after it to get rid of, but it's saying it's equal to negative 5. Absolute value can't be negative, so it's no solution. We don't have to do any work, just think about it a little bit beforehand. Our last example for absolute value is the most complicated because the x minus 3 is the only thing in the absolute value bars. That means we need to get rid of the 2 out in front and the plus 4 after. So we start it like we would solve an equation. We would start by adding or subtracting first. So we're going to get rid of that plus 4 by subtracting it from both sides. Next, we need to get rid of the 2 out in front. It's being multiplied by the absolute value bars, so we get rid of it by dividing both sides by 2. This is the equation that we are going to use to split up. Take what's inside equal to positive 9. Take what's inside equal to negative 9. Add 3 to both sides of both equations, and we get our two solutions, 12 and negative 6. Thanks for listening.